Hello to you all out there, or should I say konnichiwa. This is Ollie here at Visor Down, and today I am joined on screen by the brand new Suzuki GSX-S 1000GT. Say hello, Suzuki? No? Okay, so it's not much of a talker, but the GSX-S 1000GT is the latest in a string of fresh models to have come from the Hamamatsu manufacturer this year. It follows on from the refreshed GSX-S 1000, the new GSX-S 950, and of course the heavily updated but still deliriously bonkers Hayabusa. This time though, we're getting a closer look at the restyled and rebranded GSX-S 1000GT, which replaced the GSX-S 1000F in the Suzuki range. This is more than simply Suzuki slapping on a new badge though, with the GT moniker reflecting a shift in positioning for the model to push it more firmly into the 1000cc sports tourer category, with an emphasis on delivering greater refinement and practicality. From the outset, the GT borrows many of its design cues from the GSX-S 1000 Naked, on which it is based. Given the rather divisive response to the GSX-S 1000, we'll let you decide whether that's a good or a bad thing, but we personally think the dual-tone utilitarian family face looks more cohesive on the GT, even if we detect a little bit of Yamaha in the final look, just saying. Suzuki calls it radical and futuristic, but then they would say that. Either way, the more rakish profile is more aerodynamic and pleasing to the eye, while it certainly leans into the sports portion of Sports Tourer. Jump aboard and a new 6.5-inch TFT dash will greet you, featuring full smartphone connectivity and USB charging points. And you'll notice Suzuki is emphasising the GT's enhanced practicality, with special care taken to ensure it remains responsive and balanced with a pillion and/or luggage. Developed around a revised platform, the 999cc 4-pot engine derived from the GSX-R 1000 sports bike offers unchanged power figures of 150 brake horsepower. But Suzuki says it has now been tweaked to deliver better low to mid-range punch for more refined riding, while a redesigned airbox makes it lighter and more efficient than the F. Suzuki is also touting the GT's clever brain, including its Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, bi-directional quick shifter and cruise control, plus a feature that will answer pub quiz questions. Okay, maybe not the last one, but the GT has been developed to offer optimum performance, safety and refinement. All that remains is for us to throw a leg over, and you can be sure we'll be doing that as soon as Suzuki gives us the green light. And you can be doubly sure we will be first to bring you our impressions of the new Suzuki GSX-S 1000GT. And, playing devil's advocate for just a moment, since we've had the GSX-S 1000 Naked and now the GT, this seems to be teeing up rather nicely for a potential new GSX-R 1000. With EICMA only a couple of months away, consider our appetite sufficiently whetted. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Visor Down YouTube channel, because we definitely don't want you to miss out. Ciao for now.